All right, let's see how this part goes. Taking it off the frame.
And those frames are built so cheap.
I see that.
Sometimes they should box them instead of just a C-channel. You ever see those custom? What do you want, the rear end out?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a good rock. The custom chassis are all box chassis.
Yeah, I seen some that. Yeah, I noticed
It's
that.
all coated.
One thing I just had the guy do recently for me was knock the rear end and add some DOM bar.
Should have cleaned up with finished up the frame.
No, I had to take it out so they could go powder coat it in time lapse.
About boxing. I don't know. Right here you see like a weak link.
I see some guys putting the bars here also.
Yeah, crossbars. Yeah. Stability, make it stiffer. Yeah, if you put a lot of horsepower in that frame, it should twist. I remember one time my friend put a V8 in a Monza. He made one pass and then the door wouldn't open. Fucking twisted the shit.
I read that.
The shit went up like this.
I read that because that's why he was mentioning it support, because we like to dog it from the line, whatnot. He said those things you see doors not aligned properly, or that shit is.
They didn't even pop the back window off. Yeah. That'd be easier to bag it now. Got the towers for it.
Well, I have coilovers. Coilovers.
You rebuilt that rear end?
Nah, I'm taking them from my other car already.
What gear you got?
390.
So it's coming to get it, huh?
Yeah, I won't finish today, but maybe by tomorrow.
You gotta take the fronts out, the springs and all that?
Yeah, I'm doing that next right now.
Oh boy. Be careful with those springs, those things are loaded.
Yeah, that's what I read. But how I have it,
Yeah, if you jack it up slowly, it should take the tension off.
that's what I was wondering, because give me a hard time now. So Jack, put it in there, jack it up, right?
Jack it up, it takes some tension off.
Okay.
Once you pop that spring, it's gonna come out flying.
Yeah.
If it's under tension.
All right. Check out the back out. I'm pausing right here so I could put this in the air and then work on that side.